Rightio. I'll see if I can get out of this snow without falling over. So we're on Mount Strickland. This is Paradise Plains Road. We're going to head up to the end of it. It's changed its name to Road 8. So I think this is classed as Marysville State Forest. It is very foggy. This is only about an hour and a half from Melbourne. It doesn't snow here a great deal. It's still autumn at the moment, so this is a bit of a novelty. I don't know if this camera's still going. I probably should sign out. It rain's very unpleasant. It's really fine, it stings your eyes, but it's cold, so I'm fogging up. Anyway, had a ball in the snow. It was good fun. It's probably the thickest snow I've ridden in. Hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you next time.